Today it's cold in Texas, and I want to talk about this loud guy here. In Texas, many homes have these loud units to cool down in hot summer days, but they look so under-engineered, like there's no sound deadening material or anything to insulate the noise from inside, like they are bare metal. So I decided to add something to insulate the noise without damaging the unit and reducing its lifespan. I came up with this L-shaped privacy panels. They are normally for hiding trash cans, AC units, to make things look aesthetic from the street view. But in this case, I will use it as a sound barrier between the unit and the home. And actually, they work quite well. The best noise reduction comes with these panels. It's around 3 decibels reduction after installing these panels. 3 decibel makes around 50% of reduction in noise. So they are easy to do and effective method to reduce the noise inside. Second, I also added some material inside as well, like these hexagon pads to cover the inside wall area and just simple curtain to cover the window area. They also added like 2 decibels of noise reduction, and in total I got around 5 decibels reduction in the noise levels, which is quite nice because in decibels things go logarithmic, not linear. So 5 decibel reduction means 60 to 70% lower noise. So with all materials installed, I reduced the noise level from 40 decibels to around 35 decibels, which is quite nice. And then we moved to a different house recently. It had much louder unit. I didn't measure the initial noise level inside, but I installed all the previous setup to the new house except for the curtain. And after installing all the materials like the L-shaped panels outside and the hexagon pads in the inside walls, I was still getting 40 decibels of noise level inside. So I decided to do something further to lower the noise. So I came up with this compressor blanket to reduce the compressor noise that is coming inside. But I need to warn you, this is not an easy job. You need to be very careful about the electricity, heavy equipment. First, you need to switch off the power for the AC unit and then unscrew all the top panel screws to remove the fan. After reaching the compressor area, I tried to add the blanket by securing with the velcros. After making sure it is secure, I carefully placed the fan back on top and put the screws back in. But the result not very satisfactory because it only reduced the noise around 1.5 decibels only. So the final result is around 38 to 39 decibels inside. I think the major problem here is the installation at the beginning. In this house, I think the technician did poor job to install it properly. So we get rattling noise inside, and I mean, I'm no expert and I cannot remove the whole unit and install it back. Instead, I squished these pads under the unit to reduce the rattling noise, hopefully. But overall, I'm happy with the results and I don't want to do anything further. It will be okay for a while, I guess. So yeah, let me know in the comments if this guy bothers you in your home as well. Thank you so much for watching.